immaculate Cybernet 134 as a Harrier CBX. Absolutely immaculate. 4 watts output, 0.2 microvolts receive. Tango 21 test. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, off we go.
Yeah, roger that. Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and we've got a tone control.
Yep, roger that. So heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and a car that's just exiting doggy daycare, or is he just going?
Roger on that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, 133.9 and 142.9.
Oh, he's still open.
Yeah, roger passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Next square wheel for you today.
Negative. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Harrier CBX using Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981, using a full 4 watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Harrier CBX Cybernet 134 from 1981, being a full 4 watt output. We're going to pop it onto low power. Actually been set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. Now we're on low power. The radio's doing 400 milliwatts, showing 550 milliamps of current. Go back to full power. There we are on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, no problems on low power, apart from being a bit noisy.
And no waiting for transmission, full bodied audio, and everything's hunky dory. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Level crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
I'll have to excellent, thanks so much.
Roger that, 1010.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing, and have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
That's absolutely excellent, thanks very much. 1010.
Roger that, 1010.
You just can't ask for better than that. You know, it's one of those 1 in 1,000 sets again. We've had the odd mainly Binatone 5 stars. We've had a few Harrier CBXs. Not many York 863s or Rotel 240s that have done that, but there you are. And that York 861, I said, which we sold recently. Right, we'll go over to the base station, which uses the same chassis, and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBX E2R Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345, 54321, just pop it on low power, home test with these sets down home.